Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the An Post app not updating. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Updates may fail if the connection is slow or unstable. Then restart your phone and open the App Store again. Sometimes a quick restart fixes update problems. On Android, you can clear the Google Play Store cache by going to Settings, Apps, select Play Store, tap Storage and clear the app's cache. Then try updating again. Next, go to Settings app and then go to General, then iPhone storage and make sure that your phone has enough storage. If your storage is full, the update may not download. If the app still does not update, uninstall it and reinstall it to the latest from the official app store. That's how you fix the An Post app not updating. Subscribe for more simple guides.